Welcome back after the break. News from the National Front now. An IPS officer has been killed allegedly by the mining mafia in Madhya Pradesh. Earlier today, IPS officer Narendra Kumar, posted in the Morena district, had accosted a tractor carrying minerals and ore that had allegedly been illegally mined. There was an altercation between the tractor driver and Narendra Kumar, and the tractor then allegedly ran over the officer, killing him on the spot. The tractor driver has been taken into custody. The officer had reportedly complained on several occasions to his bosses in Bhopal about the rampant loot of sand and boulders from the Chambal region and wasn't getting any support. The State Home Minister has now rushed to Gwalior to take stock of the situation.
उनको किसी ने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी कि कोई इलीगल माइनिंग का पत्थर ट्रैक्टर ट्राली में भरकर जा रहा है। इस पर उन्होंने पहुंचकर वहां ट्रैक्टर ट्राली को रोकने की कोशिश की और वो ट्रैक्टर ट्राली ने उनको कुचल दिया है। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति में उनकी मृत्यु हुई है। ड्राइवर यद्यपि गिरफ्तार हो चुका है, उस ट्रैक्टर भी जब्त हो चुका है, लेकिन इसके पीछे कौन है, क्या है, किसका ये पत्थर था, ये सारी जानकारी अफसर वैसे निकाल रहे होंगे, लेकिन डीजी जा रहे हैं और सारा देखकर सख्त कार्रवाई और क्या की जा सकती है इस प्रकार की प्रवृत्ति के लोगों के लिए।
Former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa says he is 100% confident that the BJP leadership will fulfill their promise of making him the Chief Minister once again. Yediyurappa claims that the party had promised him the post once he was cleared of all the major charges against him. The High Court yesterday quashed an FIR on illegal mining against Yediyurappa. This charge was the main reason he was asked to step down last year. Yediyurappa spoke to NDTV's Maya Sharma in Bangalore.
Sir, there has been a lot of speculation that your supporters, that you yourself are keen to become Chief Minister once again. Is there any truth that you are actually asking the High Command to make this happen?
You see, madam, you know very well, at the time when I have resigned, after this some type of allegations will come out from that, again you can become the Chief Minister. That was All India leader, they have promised at that time.
Was a clear promise to you that once the allegations were cleared, you would become?
Particularly this particular case.
The illegal
now,
mining case.
Illegal mining case. So that has been cleared yesterday. So naturally our All India leadership going to take a suitable decision in the interest of the party. I got 100% confidence about our Nitin Gadkari ji, Sushma ji, Arun Jaitley ji, Rajnath Singh ji, Advani ji.
So you are confident then that you will be Chief Minister of Karnataka once again?
Left to the High Command, left to our All India leaders.
But if they keep the promise they made you, you will become Chief Minister then? Or they promised you?
That's what they have promised. Let us wait for.
What are your supporters planning? What are they going to be doing now? Your supporters?
To whom?
What is their plan? Are they travelling to Delhi? Are they meeting leaders?
No, I told you just now. I am requesting my MLAs and ministers and supporters. Nobody should go to the Delhi. Because they know everything. We need not force at all. They know the Karnataka, the importance also. So they will take appropriate decision at the appropriate time. Let us wait up to that time.
But there are still cases against you, whether it is alleged illegal denotification of land. There are still cases against you.
There are cases, you know, madam. In future also there will be so many cases. That will go on. This is nobody can stop this. Only this in Karnataka such things are happening. As a Chief Minister, whatever in my rules and regulations in that jurisdiction, I have taken some decision. Whether right or wrong, the court will decide. I will obey the orders of the court. I have got great respect of the judiciary.
So you do have some hope that the BJP leadership will fulfill their promise?
100%.
Thank you so much. Well, Yediyurappa there saying he's 100% sure that the BJP leadership will fulfill their promise of making him Chief Minister once again. Now that he has been cleared, the FIR has been dropped in one very important case. With Alphonse Raj, Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.
The Karnataka Assembly panel meeting on Pond scandal has concluded. The panel probing the case has demanded more time from the Speaker before submitting the report. Committee will meet once again on 15 March and will question more MLAs, and the panel is now seeking another week's time before submitting the report. Speaker is to decide on that 3 ministers, Laxman Savadi and ex-minister Palemar and Patil, who were caught watching the pond in assembly, appeared before the probe committee. The 4-member committee is headed by Sri Shailappa Biradur. Holi celebrations in Mumbai turned sour when around 175 people, most of them children, suffered color poisoning and many were hospitalized following an allergic reaction. Toxins in the color are said to be the main cause of infection. Patients reportedly suffered from dizziness after Holi celebrations and were rushed to the hospital.
जैसा आपको मैडम जी ने कहा कि ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम आर आउट ऑफ डेंजर, लेकिन फिर भी इन्हें कम से कम 24 तास अस्पताल में हम लोग रखेंगे, क्योंकि इनके जिसे को कहा जाता है आर्टेरियल ब्लड गैसेस मॉनिटरिंग, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशंस भेजे जाते हैं। इनको सबको जो पर्याप्त एंटीडोट है वो दिया गया है, लेकिन फिर भी कल दोपहर तक हमें हॉस्पिटल में रखना जरूरी है।
More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.